Every week your firm stays quiet on LinkedIn. Your competitors are getting the mind share, not because they're better, but because they're consistent. Let me show you how you can never miss a week without hiring anyone. In this video, I'll take a script for this exact video and I will turn it into a LinkedIn post using Claude Cowork and a tool called Postiz. A quick context so the demo makes sense. Postiz is a social media scheduler. Think like Buffer or Hootsuite with the two differences that matter. First, it's AiGentic. It exposes what's called an MCP connector, which means an AI like a Claude Cowork can drive it directly. You can draft a post, you can schedule it just by you asking it. There's no workflow canvas, no nodes. Second, it's open source, and that means that you can host it yourself. So your drafts, your client data can stay on your own server. 30,000 plus teams already using it every day. This isn't about social media review tool. It's about automating one job, marketing, that never gets the time it needs. So let's see it work. So our cowork is already connected to Postiz. So all what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask it retrieve a script from YT database Notion about Postiz, demo and tutorial. In AiGentic, the Notion acts as our second brain. That's what has a lot of our procedures, a lot of our databases. Everything that we're doing is usually recorded one way or the other in Notion. If you've seen the previous videos, then you've seen that the Cowork already set up with the skills and plugins. So it knows our ideal customer profile, pain points, it has our brand strategy. It's all loaded there. What it's actually doing, it created a to-do list to go and retrieve the script. It found the script. It now getting the integration. It requires my approval with Postiz to connect to the profile. The reason I have a human approval because I don't want accidentally Cowork deciding that it wants to go and post something in. So preparing drafts and posting with the social media still requires my approval. And now it gives us a full outline of everything that it did. Give me a link to the draft. And here's the draft post created to go live. It knows our voice. It breaks up into simple actions. It has the CTA. It knows about which persona we're talking to. It follows the script reasonably well. And to scale it, you just repeat the move. Do this each time you publish something, perhaps a video, newsletter, or case note. And you got the steady LinkedIn presence with no blank pages and no marketing hire. You can start with one, get comfortable approving, and do it every time. Needless to say, this can be fully and completely automated with a NA10 if you trust the method and approach. So this took under a minute because it was already connected. Here's a one-time setup, 3 steps, and it takes about 5 minutes. So go to postiz.com and create an account. Free tier is fine to start with, or you can self-host it if you want to own the data. Step 1, sign up and connect. So you create an account. You can also continue with Google. Since I'm on Google, so I select and continue, and I'm logged in. To create a channel, you press Add Channel. There's a ton of channels available from LinkedIn, LinkedIn Pages, Reddit, Blue Sky, you name it. Select the LinkedIn and pop-up in to get you logged in. Once you're logged in, your profile will be authenticated. As simple as that. Step 2, get your MCP link. In Postiz, go to Settings, Developers, Public API. That's where your API key lives. And the Postiz gives you a ready-made MCP link in the MCP section. The hosted endpoint is api.postiz.com/MCP with your key as the token. Now copy it. Step 3, add it to Claude Cowork. In Claude, go to Settings, Connectors, add Custom Connector, name it Postiz, pay the MCP link, save, and done. And that's the exact connection you saw working on the start. One link and one AI can drive the Postiz. Now you've seen it, here's why it's worth your time. You run a firm, a consultancy, a law, accountancy practice, and you don't have the marketing hire. Posting is whoever has a spare hour, which means it's you late when you remember. That's not the process, it's a hope. And when the firm goes quiet, you lose a mind share with exactly the buyers who want the inbound from. Consistency wins inbound. It's just the first thing dropped when the fee work is busy. And this removes the blank page, which is the actual reason it never happens. And the part that separates this from other scheduler, because Postiz can be self-hosted, the drafts, the client mentions the data, none of it has to sit in a third-party cloud. I demoed the cloud for speed, but self-hosting is the same build and the data never leaves your control. Right, before you build this, 3 ways when it fails. First, you automate before you standardize. If you have no view or what you want to be known for, you will just automate the noise. Agree 2 or 3 themes first and automate second. In my demo, you saw that my Claude already knows our ICP, pain points, who we talk to, and how. Number 2, you skip the approval gate. First time an odd draft goes out under the firm's name, and the trust evaporates and someone quietly switches it off. Keep the human in the loop. Always. Number 3, you treat it as a social media tool instead of a marketing function. The tool is 10%. The standardized content process is 90%. Get that backwards and you bought another dashboard nobody owns. The point of doing this with the Cowork is exactly that. You're not learning a platform, you're pointing an agent at a process. So one video I'm in the process making right now becomes an approved post in under a minute. The setup is a one-time. If you want this to be built for your operations, designed around how your firm actually works and not a generic template, book a call and I will map your operational AI roadmap for you. Link below.